Hello everyone. Today we will study the another reducing agent, that is sodium borohydride. Different borohydrates are available depending on the metal cation and ligands such as sodium borohydride, lithium borohydride, zinc borohydride. All the borohydrate reduce aldehyde and ketone to the corresponding alcohol, but due to its counter cation and ligand, it shows some special selectivity towards some functional group. The chemical formula of sodium borohydride is NaBH4. It is a mild reducing agent but an ideal reducing agent for the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. It will reduce the aldehyde into the primary alcohol and the uh, ketone to the secondary alcohol. Usually this reagent is less reactive but highly selective towards the reactive functional group. So it has more selectivity as compared to lithium aluminum hydride. This reagent is insoluble in ether but soluble in water and alcohol. So the reaction is performed in water, ethanol, methanol, acetone. So these all polar solvent is act as a is act as a solvent for this reagent. Remember that this reagent is inert for the C double bond C, alkene, C triple bond C, alkyne, N double bond N, azo, amide, as well as for ether, nitriles and nitro groups. It will never react with this functional group. It will react with the ether only in the presence of calcium chloride or in the presence of iodine. And if we want that reaction of sodium borohydride with the amide, first the amide is converted into the iminium salts and then iminium salts is reacted with the with the sodium borohydride to form the amine. So now we will study the reactivity of this sodium borohydride. Note that alkane, alkene, alkyne, cycloalkane, cycloalkene, alcohols, ethers, esters, amides, nitriles, nitro group, azo group does not react with the sodium borohydride. There will be no reaction of these functional groups with the sodium borohydride. Note that whenever the aldehyde, ketone and acid treated with sodium borohydride, the alcohol is formed if more than one functional group is present, such as aldehyde and ketone present in the same substrate. Only the aldehyde is reacted with the sodium borohydride and alcohol of the aldehyde is formed. As I earlier says, esters are reducible to the alcohol only in the presence of iodine or calcium chloride. Here we have one example. In this substrate the two groups are present. One is amide and another is the ester. As we know that amide is inert with the sodium borohydride. So here there is a calcium chloride is present, that's why the ester is converted to alcohol. Tosyl hydrazone is reduced to the hydrocarbon. Here the C double bond N is cleaved and the hydride ion is transferred to this carbon, which is the electron deficient. Whenever the alkyl halide and alkyl tosylate treated with the sodium borohydride, resultant product is the hydrocarbon. This is the tosylate group. When the primary alcohol or secondary alcohol present, it will treated with the tosyl chloride, tosyl bromide. So we get that alkyl tosylate, and when the alkyl tosylate reacted with the sodium borohydride, hydrocarbon is formed. Here is the most important point. Imines, iminium salts and azide converted to the amines with the help of sodium borohydride. The amide will not be converted to the amine in this sodium with the reaction of sodium borohydride. Anyone of you know that what happened when aryl diazonium salt react with sodium borohydride? No? Listen carefully. Benzene is formed when aryl diazonium salt treated with the sodium borohydride. So, what happened when the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds reacted with the sodium borohydride? As we see that in earlier case of lithium aluminum hydride, the reaction is totally a temperature dependent. At lower temperature, only the carbonyl group get reduced, and at the room temperature carbonyl group as well as the double bond get reduced. But here in the case of sodium borohydride double bond does not reduce, only the carbonyl group get reduced. Okay, now we will see the reactivity of the reagent. Remember, as the number of alkoxy group around boron increases, reactivity of that reagent is also increases. Why? Because of the plus mesomeric effect or positive mesomeric effect. Here we can see that reactivity order. This reagent which is having 3 alkoxy group is more reactive. So the reagent which is more reactive is less selective. So sodium borohydride is most selective reagent. Here there is a two reagent. One is lithium aluminum hydride and another is sodium borohydride. The electronegativity of the aluminum is nearly 1.5 and the electronegativity of hydrogen is nearly 2.1. So the bond between this aluminum and hydrogen is more polar. That's why the hydride ion is more easily comes from this reagent. So when the alkoxy ion attached to the aluminum, what happened exactly? This oxygen has 2p empty or 2p orbital which is having lone pair and aluminum having the 3p orbital. So it is the empty 3p orbital. There will be a weak overlap between this oxygen and this and aluminum due to the unequal size of this orbital 2p and 3p. Here the alkoxy group is act as a minor it will produce minus I effect, minus inductive effect. But what happened in the case of sodium borohydride? The electronegativity of boron is 2.0 and the electronegativity of hydrogen is nearly 2.1. So this is the less polar bond. Oxygen having lone pair has the 2p orbital and boron also having the 2p orbital. So there will be a strong overlap between oxygen and boron due to the equal size of the orbital. Here there will be a strong overlap. That's why the sodium borohydride is most selective over this alkoxy reagent. Now we will study some of the examples. Here the ketone and the ester, two functional group present in the substrate. So with the ester, sodium borohydride will not react. So this ketone is converted to the alcohol. Here the halide which have the less electronegativity is more dominant. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. That's why the bromine will be removed. The alkyl halide will be here, as we know that alkyl halide is converted to the hydrocarbon. So here methyl group is formed. The third example is same. This is the alkyl halide which is converted to the hydrocarbon. In this example, we can see that this sodium borohydride will attack from the less hindered side. It is like SN2 type of attack. Now there will be some example for the homework. In this third example, the steric hindrance of this methyl group play the important role. So the attack of the hydride is from the below side. These all examples for homework are exceptions. As we seen that the tosyl hydrogen is converted to hydrocarbon. Here the conjugated ketone and the simple ketone is present. Only the conjugated ketone will get reduced with the help of Lütge's reagent. This is the question which is asked in the CSIR NET 2016 June exam. Here you can see that the conjugated ketone is present, but from where the attack of hydride ion will take place. So first we will convert this substrate to the most stable form. As we know that the as per the Cram's model, the chelating group is present towards one side. When we rotate this, the hydrogen group which is present below is come above the plane, and this phosphorus group which is present above the plane is now in the plane. So this attack of the hydride ion is from the less sterically hindered side. So the hydride ion is transferred from the above, so the OH group will form in the below of the plane.